Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Priority Pass app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, the Priority Pass app is a travel companion that helps members access over 1,700 airport lodges worldwide. It includes features like a digital membership card for entry, lodge search by airport, real-time update, and access to partners peaks such as airport dinner, spa services, and a retail discount. The app is available on both iOS and Android with a simple interface that makes it easy to check lodge availability, track visit history, and plan ahead for trip. However, some users have reported issues with the glitches in the digital card, inaccurate lodge availability, and unexpected charges tied to visit discount. The capacity limit at certain lodges, especially in the United States, can also make access less reliable, and not all lodges offer a same level of amenities. So in conclusion, the app worth it if you are a frequent traveler who already has a priority pass access and want a convenient way to manage it, but not ideal if you expect a flawless lodge availability or a completely smooth app experience or performance within the cycle. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.